Over the last few days, I've been very thankful for the remote start on our truck, and have also been testing out how far the signal will carry. So we're going to head down to the truck and see if it started. I hit the remote start from up in the house behind me there. Now we're down here by the shop or the shed. I do hear it running, so let's go inside and check it out. Okay, so it's running. It's actually starting to warm up. Stick the key in, turn it on. After turning the key in the ignition, the heater blower shuts off and then kicks back in after a few seconds. Then it is a short commute to the office. So before I shut the vehicle off and head into the office, I'll set it to the temp that I want it so I can hit the remote start, and the vehicle will warm up for me and be ready to go by the time I'm ready to head home. Once I have everything wrapped up at the office, it is time to head home. But first, I grab the remote for the truck. I press the lock button once on the left side of the remote, and then hold the start button at the top for about 3 seconds. The truck is parked about 50 yards away and has no problem picking up the signal. Back at the house, the truck is usually parked in the shed, which is over 100 yards away, and I can start the truck from the warmth of the home while I let it warm up. I have to admit, when I purchased the truck, I don't know if I even realized that it had a remote start, but I have truly appreciated this feature during cold winter days and also hot summer afternoons. Well, it's official. It's about negative 20 degrees out here today, and the winds are blowing a little bit. Behind me you can see the flag. Wind chills are close to the mid-negative 40s to almost negative 50 for a wind chill. We're a little bit protected back here in the woods, so the flag isn't blowing real hard, but you get out into the fields or the open areas, it's really blowing out there. Please like and subscribe as we continue to put out more videos detailing some of our projects. Thanks for watching.